Okay guys, this first subscribe to the channel, like, activate the bell. Let's watch this phone. Let me show you some stuff I have. Yes, my black pyramid make with volcanic rock. Okay, let's go to the boxing. I already did, but I want to show you. This is the amount of the phone. This is the smartphone. This is the charger plug, USB. Very fast video. Wait. We have access to the YouTube, so please subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. Activate the bell. Of course, I can subscribe because it's my own channel, right? This phone, not really too much. It's look the plastic. Yeah, of course, we have to remove the plastic. It's look pretty nice. It's all smartphone, touch screen, UMX. First, happy New Year to everybody. So let's start. This phone. Oh my God! Listen to the people. This phone have 2 megapixel camera, and we have 0.3 megapixel in selfie. This phone only have one RAM, 4 GB or 8 GB RAMs, and it can span to 64 with the SSD card. Let's check it. Look at the camera. The camera maybe it's no big deal. It's not look wow, but you know it's still working. Camera. Like the camera is not like a wow big deal. Let's see. Try off the HD. Okay, yeah, we can have some effects on the camera. It's not look like wow. Normal. We have HDR auction. Okay, auction 5 picture size up to 5 megapixels. Right. Oh, we had 1080 in this phone. Wow. So we can record in HD 1080 frames. It's not bad. Let me see. Picture quality, high quality. What else we can do? We have face detection, white balance, red eye reduction, flash, but we have the HDR activated, so it's not low. But we only can take, I guess, picture. We can do video. No videos. No videos. What's that? Show. So guys, it's not bad. This phone is not like wow. Sorry for the noise. It's crazy outside because it's Happy New Year. People get drunk, police coming, checking to make sure nobody's outside. Okay, we have Pandora, we have Facebook, Messenger, we have YouTube, Gmail, Chrome, Google Assistant, a weather, calculator, calendar. This phone is not really bad, and I'm not really look bad. This phone they give you for free. Just make the unboxing and show it to you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos. This is the first unboxing 2020, January 1. Please subscribe and Happy New Year for everybody.